Thanksgiving brings families close together, but for those touched by Alzheimer's, it can be a stressful time as well. Way 31 reporter Julia Miller shows us that there is help out there for those who need it.
Families touched by this disease see its effect firsthand. At times, some may even feel hopeless. But as I found out, there is hope and help out there. As the month comes to a close, Alzheimer's disease won't. Alzheimer's ranks as the 7th leading cause of death among adults in the United States and can affect everyone in some way, according to the Alzheimer's Association.
There are about 104,000 people in the state of Alabama who have a dementia diagnosis. So we know that's a lot of folks. And we also project those numbers to double by the year 2050. So this is something that we're going to have to deal with going forward.
Billy Curtis with the Alzheimer's Association says despite the disease having no cure, there has been major strides in treatment.
We're also seeing tremendous medical advances in things like early detection, which are going to be key going forward as we develop medical therapies. So it is a very hopeful time. It is a very encouraging time as we see the advances we're making in research.
Curtis says no one should have to face this disease alone. And just because you've been diagnosed, it doesn't mean your life is over.
There's still this idea that, oh, well, once you get the dementia diagnosis, it's just kind of, you're done. And that's not necessarily true, because you can still have a number of years of very healthy social engagement. There are drugs that will help you just in your cognitive health, even as you advance through dementia.
The association is there for education, support, and to provide resources, especially for caregivers.
And actually in the Huntsville area, we probably have the strongest network of support groups of anywhere in the state, all the way from, Owens Crossroads, Hazel Green, Madison. We have a support group available. And so if you are a caregiver, we certainly want you to avail yourselves of that.
For more information on help that's available out there, visit our website, waytv.com. Coming up on Way 31 News at 5, I spoke with a woman who is a full-time caregiver for her husband living with the disease. Hear how she copes with a difficult task. In studio with coverage you can count on, Julia Miller, Way 31 News.